Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a quick backup. This saves you time if updates break formulas. Once done, open the workbook, enable editing, and turn on auto save if available. Make sure Excel is updated so new functions behave correctly. Next, check and list all external links and data connections so you can update them in sequence. This avoids broken references later. Begin with the sheet that contains the most dependencies. You will adjust core references first to keep calculations consistent. You now handle the complex updates. Start by refreshing Power Query and pivot tables so cached data matches source changes. Then update named ranges and use find/replace to adjust recurring references quickly. Be cautious with whole word matches. Next, systematically update formulas. Use evaluate formula to step through nested calculations and run error checking to identify #ref or hash value failures. Make sure data validation rules still apply. If using macros, test key routines after each change to catch side effects early. You finish by saving a timestamped final copy and creating a read-only shared version if others will view it. Then test critical calculations end-to-end and inspect pivot tables and charts to confirm updates propagated. Protect sheets or ranges to prevent accidental edits, and add a summary sheet listing what changed. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting step is to revert to your backup. Then isolate the problematic range and reapply changes in small steps. Disable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.